Welcome back to another Well Gosh Art It production. I'm your host, DJ Smiles, and today I would like to introduce the concept of art for all. These videos and any other creations that I produce are created with the goal that art does not belong to just one segment of a population. Everyone should have access to enjoy it, and if they choose, the ability to create something. In this video, I'm going to share a simple to create memory jar. The supplies needed are a clean plastic or glass jar, paint, paintbrushes, paper, writing or picture drawing materials. If you choose a jar with hard to clean spots, use a toothbrush with dish soap and water. Allow it to completely dry before painting. There are two ways to approach the painting. One is to paint the outside of the jar, which I enjoy. However, if this is for a child that will not be leaving the jar on the shelf, I recommend that the painting be inside the jar. If another coat of paint is needed, wait a day or two between painting to allow the previous coat to dry. Once done, allow your jar to dry for several days before using. While you are waiting, I recommend reading Memory Jars by Vera Brosgol, especially for World Read Aloud Day on February 2nd, 2022. You can put anything in your jar. My recommendation is to write out or draw some special memories. It has been a rough few years for so many. Please treasure your experiences with your friends and family. Also, feel free to jazz it up way beyond just painting the jar. And don't forget to wash your paintbrushes. Until next time, this is DJ Smiles asking you to remember that kindness matters.